Nagpur se visuals. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to show some pictures. They are right now coming on the ANI Select feed. Ladies and gentlemen, these are visuals coming in from Nagpur. These are first visuals coming in from Nagpur, where we are told that there has been a clash. There have been clashes in Nagpur over the Aurangzeb issue. ये हमारे पास अभी latest visuals आ रहे हैं, and they are breaking now. Republic Bharat should also break these visuals. These pictures are coming in from Nagpur. Nagpur, ladies and gentlemen, where there are violent clashes that have been reported over the Aurangzeb issue. These pictures, there is heavy police deployment. We are told that this has happened in Nagpur. There is a lot of tension in Nagpur, in the Mahal area of Nagpur. There has been a dispute between two groups. Vehicles have been vandalized and torched, and there has been stone pelting. There is a lot of police personnel in that area right now. We are told the situation there is calm right now. The area has been vacated. ये महाराष्ट्र से तस्वीरें आ रही हैं. These visuals are from Maharashtra, because this has happened after the workers of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and the Bajrang Dal left from this area. There was a peaceful protest that was carried out by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and the Bajrang Dal. After that, we are told this agitation happened at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Pratima Chowk in Mahal, and after the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal left from there, we are told members of the Muslim community gathered in large numbers and started raising slogans. The police intervened, calmed everyone down. Tasveerein dekhiye, ladies and gentlemen. After that, during the agitation of Bajrang Dal, the effigy of Aurangzeb had been burnt. Ladies and gentlemen, after which the Muslim community said that their sentiments were hurt, and there was a protest which happened near the statue of Shivaji Maharaj. These visuals are latest visuals. Police have been attacked. Police have been attacked, ladies and gentlemen, in Nagpur. See the pictures, Ratan Chadha. The situation is very concerning. Ratan Chadha, breaking pictures coming in. Police have also been attacked. The police have also not been spared. This is a very bad situation. Very bad situation, ladies and gentlemen. These are pictures coming in from Nagpur. You want to say something on this, please? Ratan Chadha, we are straying away.
I'll come from where this starts.
Yeah.
Arnab, I'll start from where this story picks up. The people who believe that they are the offsprings of Aurangzeb, they have a right to rule over India, and Hindus cannot be trusted. They created a mayhem, they created a violent scenario in direct action 1946, which led to the division of by India by giving 1/3 of the land to those violent mobs. And they believe that they live in Sharia in Pakistan. The people who voted for that stayed back, and those who wanted to stay back in a secular India stayed back. Today they are creating the same scenario. Whether it's the threat on the road when they said, अगर आपने वक्फ बोर्ड का बिल लाया तो हम क्या-क्या कर देंगे पता नहीं आपको, सामना हो जाएगा. Same people here on the street are doing the same thing. So this is a scenario which is being repeated after direct action, and unless we take cognizance of this, it faces more problems, because the Waqf Board Act was never
and
there.
This is not right. I mean, I want to, ladies and gentlemen, we'll let Ratan Chadha on the bottom left, and on the bottom left, so that the visuals are big out there. Bottom right and bottom left, Ratan Chadha versus Tala Amir Rashidi. ये तस्वीरें जो हमारे स्क्रीन पर आ रही हैं. There are some people who are supporters of Aurangzeb. ये कौन लोग हैं जो औरंगजेब के सपोर्टर है? तला आमिर रशीदी, राष्ट्रीय उलमा काउंसिल स्पोक्सपर्सन. ये कौन लोग हैं जो औरंगजेब फैन हैं? Who are these fans of Aurangzeb? Tala Amir Rashidi.
It was created to stop the Ram Mandir construction. Remember this. They have no right over the Muslim community. They are self-appointed guardian of the Muslim community who have no standing in the public. All India Muslim Law Board has just one member of the parliament. They claim to be representing Muslims. What representation are they doing?
Also. Get AIMIM as well. Tala Amir Rashidi, your response to the visuals right now. Tala Amir Rashidi, आप support करते हैं इस तरह का दंगा, इस तरह की violence, इस तरह का पथराव? ये चाहते हैं आप? आपकी position क्या है इस पर? Tala Amir Rashidi, can you reply?
अरे मुझे ये बताइए औरंगजेब को क्या लगता है?
His feet is frozen. सुलेमान जी, आपको कुछ कहना है कि नहीं कहना है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
आपका टर्कों का खून है.
अब औरंगजेब के नाम पर इधर, औरंगजेब के समर्थन पे इधर दंगे होंगे? सुलेमान जी,
आपने मुझे आज वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल पर चर्चा के लिए बुलाया.
जी बुलाया था, मगर ये ब्रेकिंग खबर है.
on
मुझे ये
non-issues.
बताइए वक्त
Don't
बोर्ड
try
के बारे
to
में बात
drag
करते
me
हैं।
on
वक्त
non-issues.
बोर्ड का बिल 1954 के पहले नहीं
You
था।
are dragging
आपके
unnecessarily.
जिनको चाहिए था
A
वक्त बोर्ड
person
पाकिस्तान
like
में
me
चले गए,
After
एक
some-
क्या हिस्सा ले गए,
You have
उनका क्या
invited
हक है
me
दोबारा लैंड मांगने
to
का?
participate in
आपको
the
1954 में
debate
वक्त
on
बोर्ड
work
मिला,
amendment.
1954 से लेकर
Mr. Goswami,
1995
you are very
तक
tactfully
40 साल तक
dragging me
अमेंडमेंट की
on
जरूरत नहीं
non-issue
थी।
debate. I am
1995
not
में तक
supposed
क्या
to
हो
be
गया
dragged.
कि कानून का हिस्सा बनाया आपने? मुझे बताइए। 1954 में बना था ना, वक्त एक्ट बना था। 1950 में तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं था, तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे हो गया? 1954 में बना, उसके बाद 1995 तक कुछ नहीं कर पाया, वही चल रहा था। तब आपका धर्म संकट में नहीं था। 1995 के बाद में आपको ऐसे राइट्स मिले जिससे आप किसी प्रॉपर्टी को अपना बोल देंगे, जिसको मर्जी निकाल देंगे। 1300 साल पुराना मंदिर होगा, वो कहते हैं कि वो हमारा है। 700 साल पुराना एक आपका पंथ है, वो 1500 साल पुराने मंदिर को अपना बोल देगा। हम सहयोग कर लेंगे। वो एक क्यों नहीं बदलना चाहिए?
ये झूठ का पुलिंदा है।
झूठ की क्या बात है?
पुलिंदा
आपने
है।
किया कि नहीं किया? सूरत कॉर्पोरेशन आपकी,
कभी
आपके
ऐसा
केंद्र
नहीं हुआ
पार्लियामेंट आपका,
किसी
कौन से
मुस्लिम
पेपर आपके
ने
पास?
दूसरी
आपने
की
कहा ताज
प्रॉपर्टी
आपका,
को
कौन से
वक्त
पेपर आपके पास
प्रॉपर्टी
बताइए
कहा हो।
मुझे।
आप
केवल
लोग
बकवास करने आते हैं यहाँ
देश को
पर। आप दुरुपयोग करते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का कुछ नहीं लिखा कि केवल मुसलमान को राइट है, बाकी किसी को अपनी प्रॉपर्टी सेव करने का राइट नहीं है। क्या मेरी प्रॉपर्टी आप करेंगे? मेरी प्रॉपर्टी अपनी बोलेंगे, मैं सिद्ध करूंगा कि मेरी है कि नहीं है। आप डिसाइड करेंगे मेरी प्रॉपर्टी
The
के बारे में।
pictures of violence,
कानून
cars are burning. What are we doing?
कानून डिसाइड करेगा कि आप डिसाइड करेंगे? कौन है आप?
Breaking story right now, ladies and gentlemen, right now coming in from Nagpur. We're going to get a live report from Nagpur. I want Sanju Verma also to come into this debate. Sanju Verma is on the debate. I'm straying away. We are on the breaking story. Sanju Verma, we began by discussing Waqf, but very disturbing and very concerning visuals coming in tonight from Nagpur, a large city, and you're seeing the huge fires breaking out, cars burnt, police attacked, many policemen have been attacked. There has been stone pelting. There was stone pelting recently in Mao. After the Indian cricket team won, there is stone pelting in Nagpur. After some people are saying demolish Aurangzeb's mosque. Who are these Aurangzeb supporters? You have a BJP-led government. Why are you allowing it? This is Devendra Fadnavis's own hometown. Sanju.
You know, Arnab, first and foremost, let me make this very clear. Law and order is a state subject. And I'm sure the Fadnavis government will crack the whip and howl on these anti-social elements, जिनका औरंगजेब का प्यार उभर कर अभी arson, loot, violence, vandalism में तब्दील हो चुका है. Let me make one thing very clear, that the Waqf Amendment Bill was discussed for 112 hours. There's a 281-page dissent note which was discussed threadbare. There are 44 amendments that have taken place after consensus. There were 13 sessions where this bill was discussed. So ये कहना that the Modi government has suo moto unilaterally brought in the Waqf Amendment Act, I think that is a whole lot of balderdash. Pehla argument. Second argument, Arnab, very quickly. All these people belonging to the Aurangzeb side, you know, ये कहते हैं, अरे Muslim nations में Waqf is a reality. And I just did some homework. Afghanistan, Algeria, Bahrain, Bangladesh.
No, we have to go back to the Aurangzeb issue.
Jordan, Kuwait, Libya, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritania, Morocco, Oman, Pakistan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Syria, Tunisia, Yemen, UAE. These are all Islamic nations where Islam is the state religion. और इनके यहाँ वक्फ नामक कोई एक्ट, कोई लॉ
अरे आपको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, बिना उम्मत से चले आती है, मुल्क से कुछ पता है, जाइए दुबई में देखिए, वक्त की पूरी मिनिस्ट्री है, यू हैव टू सम होमवर्क, आप ऑफिशियल प्रवक्ता हैं, आपको कुछ पता रहता नहीं, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़कर आप लोग आते हैं, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी के डाटा इकट्ठा करती है, आपको पता है you know nothing about वोट के बारे में पता ही नहीं, तो आप यूएई और दुनिया भर के अल्जीरिया और फला जगह का कोट करेंगी। ये व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का डेटा, व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का ज्ञान भाजपा के कार्यालय में दीजिएगा, मुख्यालय में दीजिएगा। सबको पता है कि आप लोग कहाँ से डेटा लेकर
कमिश्नर will take a call, the district collector will take a call, the civil court will take a call।
मुख्यालय में जाकर दीजिएगा, पता कीजिए, आपको देश के वक्फ के राइट के बारे में पता ही नहीं है। वक्फ इज एन एसेंशियल रिलीजियस राइट ऑफ द मुस्लिम्स एंड दैट इज बीइंग गारंटीड बाय द आर्टिकल 25 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
Greater accountability and greater inclusivity. We are saying women should also be a part of Waqf committee. आपको क्या दिक्कत है if women are made
No, we have the breaking story right now, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking story. मुझे बताइए जो प्रो औरंगजेब ग्रुप्स ने वायलेंस की है, तला में रशीदी, सुलेमान जी.
They cannot tolerate elected member by bar, by parliament, by assembly. They want to nominate.
I don't care. I am asking right now, Suleiman ji, 1 second. I cannot tolerate violence by pro-Aurangzeb groups anywhere in my country.
जवाब देने दीजिए. Let me respond.
No. Talk about the Aurangzeb fans.
Yes, let me respond, Arnab.
Talk about the Aurangzeb fans.
Talk about hypocrisy.
Talk about Aurangzeb fans in my country.
दिन रात कौन औरंगजेब
Tala Rashidi is on the debate. Tala on the right. Tala and Sanju on Aurangzeb.
दिन रात औरंगजेब का गुणगान कौन करता है, कौन औरंगजेब की तस्वीर पढ़ता है, सबको पता है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को, बीएचपी के लोगों को, बजरंग दल के लोगों को बिना औरंगजेब, बिना बाबर, बिना अकबर का नाम लिए रात को नींद भी नहीं आती. हिंदुस्तान का मुसलमान औरंगजेब और बाबर का नाम नहीं लेता. ये दिन रात औरंगजेब और बाबर का नाम लेते हैं, उनका गुणगान करते रहते हैं. दूसरी बात, आपने कहा कि बीएचपी बजरंग दल वाले वहां पे पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. आई ऑब्जेक्ट. ये प्रिजडिस है आपको. आप बीएचपी बजरंग दल की रैली में जो नारे दिए जाते हैं, जो प्रोवोकिंग नारे दिए जाते हैं, वो सुनिए. जिन्होंने दंगा भड़काने वाले निश्चित नारे दिए होंगे. बिना जांच के आप ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि
Because are not complete. Because check your grade.
आपको औरंगजेब से इतना प्यार क्यों है भाई साहब?
कि जब बीएचपी वाले
Who destroyed the Vishwanath temple? Who destroyed the Soमनाथ temple?
बढ़ावा
Who
देती है.
destroyed the-
वो इस तरह की हिंसा करने वाले लोगों को बढ़ावा देती है. ये बोलते जाएंगे व्हाट्सएप का ज्ञान लेकर दुबई, अल्जीरिया.
I'm going to try and get Ladies and gentlemen, you see these pictures. Sanju, 1 minute. Look at the visuals, ladies and gentlemen. Ratan Sharda, ye dekhiye. These are the latest visual of the stone pelting in Nagpur. Why do we have stone? No. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing that? How many times and in how many ways, Ratan Sharda, will we see stone pelting mobs on the loose in this country? Taking the law into their own hands.
It is being done. It is a challenge to Devendra Fadnavis because he said he will not let the people who glorify Aurangzeb have a peaceful protest for whatever they can do. He will crush such people who want to glorify Aurangzeb. He said it. So as a revenge, these people have taken up this riot in Nagpur because I will tell you, after 1927, when Dr. Hedgar stopped the riots, there are no riots in Nagpur till after 102 years.
Great,
this day.
yeah.
So this day is very important. It is against Devendra Fadnavis. It is deliberate mischief.
One more visual
to
has
create
come. मैं
mischief in
दिखाना
Nagpur
चाहता हूँ.
itself.
People need
We
to
should
see.
have it deliberate.
One more visual has come. I want to show you. There is a person burning car. गाड़ी जला के पत्थर मार के. इनको गुस्सा किससे है? इनको गुस्सा किस पर है? किस पर गुस्सा है? किस पर गुस्सा है इन्हें?
करिए ना. आप कहते हैं ना मैं FIR करो.
You simply won't allow me to respond, Arnab.
Tala bin Rashidi, see this visual, not this. The one where there is the latest visual on the group which I have right now.
Allow me to respond.
What do you want to respond to? What do you want to respond to? This is my country. In Mao there was stone pelting. In Nagpur there was stone pelting. You want this country to remain all of us to keep quiet and watch this country burn? We will not allow that. We will not allow our country to burn.
This is my country, and even we won't allow the right wing to spread nafrat in my country. और ये जो रतन शारदा बैठे हैं,
You will directly go on the court. You will directly go on the streets and burn. Go on the street, throw stones everywhere you want to. You tell us to go to police whenever anything wrong. You said file an FIR when anything is wrong. But when it comes to you, you will burn the cars, you will burn the streets, you will throw stones just because you don't want to go to the police.
I
So
want
for
to
you
know
there is
from Nagpur, please. Tala Ramir Rashidi. Tala, louder.
ये देश विरोधी नारे लगाते हैं, मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नारे लगाते हैं, नफरत फैलाने वाले नारे लगाते हैं.
बाकी चैनल तो दिखा भी नहीं रहे.
बीजेपी और बजरंग दल का प्रोटेस्ट शांतिपूर्वक होगा. ये भड़काने के नारे लगाते हैं. ये कहते हैं जब डैश काटे जाएंगे, डैश डैश चिल्लाएंगे. ये कहते हैं डैश को गोली मारो, डैश को. इनके नारे देखिए, इनकी चाल चरित्र देखिए. ये हिंसा पे इनकी परवरिश होती है. ये हिंसा पे फलते हैं. बिना हिंसा के ये कदम नहीं चल सकते. और भारतीय जनता पार्टी और इनकी सरकारें इनका प्रोत्साहन करती है. पीछे से इनको
saying it is right because somebody provoked you. I am provoked every day. Do I throw stones? Do I burn cars? Do I do that? Why are you doing it? Who are you to do it? Who are you to justify any kind of violence? Who are you to display any kind of violence? What is the provocation?
देश के सामने नफरत करने वाले लोगों का समर्थन करते हैं। रतन शारदा शुक्ला जी, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
So don't keep on making these insinuations.
आपको देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए, शर्म आनी चाहिए।
ये औरंगजेब फैंस कौन है जो गाड़ी जला रहे हैं? ये औरंगजेब फैंस कौन है जो गाड़ी जला रहे हैं?
आप औरंगजेब के नाम पे जब आग लगाते हैं, आप माफी मांगिए। हम किस
तारिक अहमद लारी is on the debate. तारिक अहमद लारी और seeing the violence in नागपुर, ये जो प्रो औरंगजेब ग्रुप्स है, जो प्रो औरंगजेब ग्रुप्स है, इन्होंने पूरा वहां पे हिंसा की है, पत्थरबाजी की है, गाड़ी जला रहे हैं। ये क्या चाहते हैं? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं इनको लेकर?
ये कौन,
आपकी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है तारिक अहमद लारी?
कैसे पता?
जरा आवाज लोगों की रुकवाइए, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ।
हाँ बोलिए।
देखिए, ये जो हिंसा हो रही है, ये जो हिंसा हो रही है, ये बहुत ही गलत है। अरे मर गया, क्या कर रहा है? कौन सा अपना कुछ वो होगा, कुछ होने वाला है? क्या करना है झगड़ा करके, क्या करना है लड़ाई करके? अरे वो मर गया, कब्र में लेटा हुआ, भूल जाए यार। दूसरे मर गए, सब मर गए। इतिहास को लेकर झगड़ा नहीं किया जाता है। अपना इतिहास खुद बनाओ, अपना फ्यूचर देखो, अपना इतिहास बनाओ। क्या फायदा है इन सबका? मैं सिर्फ कोई एक
शालिनी,
में कह रहा हूँ,
संजू वर्मा,
समाजवादी
संजू वर्मा, संजू वर्मा,
देश को कह रहा हूँ।
कह रहे वक्फ बोर्ड को लेकर सड़क पे आएंगे, उसको समझाओ जरा कि दंगे करके क्या होगा।
अरे भाई, कहाँ वक्फ बोर्ड और कहाँ ये दंगा? दंगे पे बात करिए, दंगे पे बात करिए।
You support a party called the Samajwadi Party. When Ram Gopal Mishra was shot at point blank range in October 2024, simply because he wanted to celebrate his Hindu festival with pomp and gaiety. I remember you, Kanuga, national TV debates, and actually mocking Ram Gopal Mishra's heinous death. You belong to a party where your leader Ram Gopal Yadav, who is the uncle of Akhilesh Yadav, has the audacity to say, यदि लोगों ने कुछ पुलिस पर बम फेंक दिए या सर्कल ऑफिसर अनुज चौधरी पर गोली चला दी तो कौन सी बड़ी बात है? जब बूथ लूटेंगे तो पत्थर चलेंगे। दिस इज व्हाट राम गोपाल यादव सेड, जस्टिफाइंग द वायलेंस अगेंस्ट द सर्कल ऑफिसर ऑफ संभल, अ मैन कॉल्ड अनुज चौधरी हु हैड द गट्स टू से नमाज दिन में 5 बार पढ़ा जाता है, होली साल में 1 बार मनाई जाती है, और इस पर आप लोगों ने बवाल खड़ा कर दिया। क्यों भाई? सारी नसीहत सिर्फ हिंदुओं को देनी है? आप खुद अपने गिरेबान में झांकिए और देखिए, डू यू गाइस फॉलो द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? व्हेन वी से नो हिजाब, you say no, we will follow the Sharia. When we say no halal, you say we will follow the Sharia. When we say implement CAA, you say we want Sharia. When we say implement UCC, you say we will follow the Sharia. When we say no loudspeakers till 6 a.m. in the morning, you say no, हमको तो
सुलेमान जी, सुलेमान जी, सुलेमान जी, सुलेमान जी,
you guys don't believe in the constitution, it's highway or the highway, which is what you believe in.
एक काम करिए अरनब भाई, ये राम गोपाल जी की बहुत बड़ी फैन है, एक बार डायरेक्ट राम गोपाल जी से इनका अपना संस्था डिबेट करवा दीजिए, इनको जवाब मिल जाएगा। राम गोपाल जी से बहुत अच्छा बात है।
मैं नागपुर के सिचुएशन को लेके बहुत कंसर्न्ड हूँ, जहाँ पे वीएचपी के प्रदर्शन के बाद, जहाँ पे वीएचपी के एंटी औरंगजेब प्रदर्शन के बाद नागपुर के महल इलाके में पथराव, आगजनी, तोड़फोड़ हो रही है। आप जरा मुद्दे पे रहिए, दिस इज अ मैटर ऑफ कंसर्न। मैं नहीं जानता why are vehicles being burned, why are policemen being attacked in Mao and in Nagpur? What is going on? Why are policemen attacked in Mao, policemen attacked in Nagpur? Why is there stone pelting going on? Who are these people who take the law into their own hands?
बीएचपी के लोग वहां क्या कर रहे हैं?
And we are told don't speak, don't speak. आप सेक्युलर हो, इस सब चीजों पर कुछ मत बोलिए।
होगी, मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि अगर सही से जांच होगी तो जो लोग प्रोटेस्ट करने गए थे वही लोग दंगा फैला
Look
रहे
at the visuals, ladies and gentlemen.
अर्नब गोस्वामी
कैसे पुलिस के लोगों को मारा जा रहा है, आप देखिए।
सच को सामने आने दीजिए, पुलिस की जांच।
Put me on the left. Wait, put me on the left. Replacing Sanju. Ladies and gentlemen, watch the pictures very closely. Policemen are attacked. Are we to हम बैठ के देखते रहेंगे? पुलिस को मारा जा रहा है, माओ में हो, नागपुर में हो, पुलिस पर मारा जा रहा है, पथराव की जा रही है, और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस आर बीइंग अटैक्ड। और वहां पे महल इलाके में इस तरह की शोडाउन हो रही है, इस तरह की मारपीट हो रही है, आगजनी हो रही है। Will we remain quiet? Madhuvanti, are you watching this tonight? What are your thoughts? Madhuvanti is on the left. We are really concerned. These are all
Absolutely. I don't
on the loose.
understand why we have to keep quiet. I'm asking
Madhuvanti.
a simple question. Why do we have to keep quiet? What is going on here in Nagpur? Why should we keep quiet? I mean, if the minority in this country has a right to say what they want, the majority in this country cannot talk about a barbaric ruler, is it? Are these inborn Muslims who lived here? These came from somewhere and tried to take over this country. And if you say something about their ruler, people here want to support Aurangzeb. Shame on all of you. And you attack the police, you burn cars, and you create such a ruckus just because Nagpur is the headquarters of the RSS? How dare you? Look at the choice of place also, Arnab. Why Nagpur?
इसलिए आप लोगों को अकबर याद आता है.
Why Nagpur? Give me an answer. Why Nagpur? You just want to try and prove a point. What point are you trying to prove? You're getting afraid because the Hindus of this country have woken up. And the Hindus of this country are not going to tolerate this nonsense anymore. Aurangzeb was a tyrant. Aurangzeb was a barbarian. Aurangzeb was a the last of the bad Mughal rulers. Take it or leave it. Don't try to question the Hindu faith or dharma by doing these.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have breaking news right now. The police administration. We must all support the security forces. This pro-Aurangzeb group has really carried out terrible violence today. And the police administration is handling the situation, we are told, after the stone pelting and the tense situation in the Mahal area of Nagpur. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis of Maharashtra has appealed to all the citizens they should fully cooperate with the administration in this situation, saying we are constantly in touch with the police administration and citizens should cooperate with them. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has appealed not to believe any rumors and give full cooperation to the administration. Ladies and gentlemen, this very unfortunate violence that has been carried out by people. Everybody has a right to protest, and people who are for the destruction of the Aurangzeb tomb also have a right to protest, but nobody has a right to do this. This terrible situation.
I want to make a small point here.
Sanju wants to come in right now. Ladies and gentlemen, many policemen have been injured, and we are getting live reports. We are on the story. Please notice the other channels are not even trying to report what has happened in Nagpur. This is the problem.
Adnan, you are so biased and prejudiced that you said that the protest of MPLP is anarchy, but the protest being done by...
Why is this man giving background music?
There was no stone pelting done by the Bajrang Dal, sir. There was no stone pelting done by the Bajrang Dal. उन्होंने पथराव नहीं किया.
And then you get lectures on
Just one.
Owaisi acolytes, all you Owaisi darbaris, all you Owaisi retainers, all you Owaisi jesters, do you have some shame or not?
आपको अरे शर्म आपको नहीं आ रही है. आप celebrate होली लोगों के सामने
कर्नाटका सिद्धारमैया says Hindus can't celebrate Holi.
व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का ज्ञान लेकर
In West Bengal, not 24 Parganas, when some policemen support Hindus celebrating Holi, TMC goons actually start attacking the police force. And Mamata Banerjee says the TMC goons have done the right thing by attacking policemen who were actually standing in solidarity with some Hindus who were celebrating Holi in Birbhum and in Burdwan and in North 24 Parganas. That is the state of law and order in West Bengal. That is the state of law and order in Karnataka and Telangana. But you guys will not question Karnataka. You will not question West Bengal. You will not question Himachal Pradesh. आपको सारी दिक्कत बीजेपी से है. आपको सारी दिक्कत RSS से है.
When you ask about Maharashtra, you'll talk about Kerala. When you ask about Uttar Pradesh, you'll talk about Bengal. When you ask about Madhya Pradesh, you'll talk about Andhra. When you ask about Delhi, she will talk about some other state. She cannot talk about, she cannot
say that you are against. Don't you want women to be a part of the Waqf board? Don't you want the Waqf Act to be more transparent? Don't you want the Waqf Act to be more accountable?
She cannot accept the truth. She cannot accept the truth. Whenever you talk about Maharashtra, the BJP ruled states, they'll talk about Kerala, Bengal, Andhra, Telangana.
Your problem. Jagdambika Pal was the head of the Waqf committee. 112 hours was...
We are getting some audio there, and I'm going live right now. The police, ladies and gentlemen, I'm staying with the visuals. I'm going to go live to the latest pictures. We are very concerned. Shalini, I think today we must make sure we make one point very clear. All Muslims are not supporting what is being done in... All Muslims are not supporting what the pro-Aurangzeb groups are doing.
It's tragic, Arnab, because they are only going as a pro-Aurangzeb. They have forgotten that we've got Maulana Azad, who has been from this country. We've got Abdul Kalam. We've got Hazrat Begum also here. We've got so many freedom leaders. We've got Zakir Hussain. Why don't they take them as a leadership? Why don't they understand
Tala on the right.
era of the historical leaders who
At
have
least the
been
Muslim
passed.
Rashtriya Manch, the outfit of
You
RSS
please keep quiet.
is
You
accepting
keep
some
quiet,
Muslims.
because when you are talking about peaceful protest, then you forget that today there was no peaceful protest
This is the least you can do. That you acknowledge Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and you acknowledge Abul Kalam the scientist.
The JPC head Jagdambika Pal ji, that आप लाकर दिखाइए हम देखते हैं. You cannot threaten each and every
RSS at least acknowledges Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Even that's a favor on the Muslims of the country.
And say that it was Bajrang Dal or BJP. It is Muslims like you who are not progressive. It is Muslims like
you
you
won't
who don't
criticize
want
Bajrang
women
Dal
to come forward. It is Muslims like you who want to
you won't have the guts to criticize Bajrang Dal and DHP because you will be snatched from the job, the paid job that you are on. You can't, you cannot.
Whose paid job are you on? नहीं, तलामी रशीदी, आप किसकी पेड जॉब कर रहे हो? तलामी रशीदी, I have one question. You put me with him, please. 1 versus 1. तलामी रशीदी, आप ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. आपको मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. 1 minute. तलामी रशीदी, listen to me, no? Listen to me. आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है? I'm showing the pictures from Nagpur in Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing the police try to push the mob back. You are seeing the organized mob. The police is pushing them back. Many policemen have been injured. The pro-Aurangzeb groups are attacking the policemen. And my question, full frame, please. Full frame. Get the ambience off. Let people listen to this. Full frame, please. From Nagpur in Maharashtra, ladies and gentlemen, where a pro-Aurangzeb mob has attacked the police. A pro-Aurangzeb mob has attacked the police. And Talami Rashidi, will you acknowledge that, will you at least admit that nobody should be pro-Aurangzeb in India, especially since he killed Guru Tegh Bahadur? Since he was so anti-Hindu? Are you anti-Aurangzeb or pro-Aurangzeb? Are you anti-Aurangzeb or pro-Aurangzeb? Are you anti or pro? Are you anti or pro? Why are you not being able to answer a simple question? Are you pro Aurangzeb? आप क्या pro Aurangzeb हो? क्यों तला हमें रशीदी?
बाबर और अकबर का नाम लेता है.
बोल नहीं पाए.
के लोग, ये संघ के लोग, ये बीएसपी के लोग, ये बजरंग दल के लोग रात में इनको नींद नहीं आती जब तक ये औरंगजेब का, बाबर का, अकबर का नाम ना ले ले.
तो आप बाबर सपोर्टर हो? आप औरंगजेब सपोर्टर हैं? आप भारतीय होते हुए औरंगजेब के सपोर्टर हैं?
वो तो औरंगजेब का नाम ही नहीं.
भारतीय होते हुए औरंगजेब समर्थक है आप?
सवाल है.
क्या आप औरंगजेब के समर्थक हैं?
तो हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमानों पे शक ही नहीं कर सकते.
मैं तो सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. ये there is one protester who has been caught there, ladies and gentlemen. अब सब पता चल जाएगा जब ये लोग अंदर जाएंगे. जब ये लोग अंदर जाएंगे पता चल जाएगा कौन इनको भड़का रहा था, कौन क्या कर रहा था, चाबी कौन लगा रहा था, कौन किसको भड़का रहा था, सब पता चल जाएगा. Are you pro or anti Aurangzeb?
You cannot ask me this question. It is shameful.
Why should I not ask you? You ask me any question, I'll answer.
आप मेरी हिंदुस्तानी होने पे शक पैदा कर रहे हैं.
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ ना. आप एंटी औरंगजेब है ना? तो बोलिए औरंगजेब was a tyrant, एंटी सनातनी थे, एंटी हिंदू थे. बोलिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको बोलने में? मैं एंटी गोडसे हूँ. मैं एंटी गोडसे हूँ. मगर आप एंटी औरंगजेब है?
रतन शारदा शुक्ला से
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं एंटी गोडसे हूँ और मैं एंटी औरंगजेब हूँ. आप क्या है? आप क्या है?
Will you have the guts to
आप क्या है?
शारदा शुक्ला और बीजेपी प्रवक्ता.
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ ना.
एंटी गोडसे और एंटी प्रो गांधी.
I am एंटी गोडसे. रतन शारदा is एंटी गोडसे.
बनाना छोड़ दीजिए.
रतन शारदा is एंटी गोडसे.
क्या है? What is the comparison? You are trying to compare a person who killed millions of people, who destroyed thousands of temples against Godse, and who said I'm Godse supporter? You tell me, why are you crying about Aurangzeb? What is the Aurangzeb status? He killed millions of people. He destroyed thousands of temples. You are trying to bring in Godse to justify your love for Aurangzeb? Did I say I love Godse? Did I say I love Godse? But you say you are admitting you love Aurangzeb by comparing a bloody man, a bloody violent man, a bigot with one person's one violence. You are just trying to justify Aurangzeb, that's all. There is a question. You tell me what is the question of today's riots in Nagpur, except that you want to show Devendra Fadnavis his place. You tell me what is the justification of riots because it's in Nagpur where RSS escort is there. Give me one reason. If you don't like Aurangzeb, whether I take the name of Aurangzeb or Babar, how does that affect you? If at tomorrow give any kind of abuse to somebody who is not related to you, will you get angry? Say, if anybody says Aurangzeb, why you get burnt up? How can you get burnt up about Aurangzeb if you have no relation with him? Let me speak about it. How does it hurt you? Let me say anything about Mughal. How does it hurt you?
Why don't you talk about the 2 crore
Ladies and
jobs?
gentlemen,
Are you crazy?
सुलेमान जी आप एंटी औरंगजेब है ना?
Give me one reason.
सुलेमान जी आप एंटी औरंगजेब है ना कि प्रो औरंगजेब हैं?
Why are you so obsessed with Aurangzeb?
ओके, तारिक लारी प्रो और एंटी औरंगजेब.
ये मेरी तो हिस्ट्री एंटी औरंगजेब की है भाई, वो हिस्ट्री आपको मालूम है.
अच्छी
3
बात
बार
है.
औरंगजेब को हराया है युद्ध में, 4थी बार आ गए.
तो इन्हें बता दीजिए ना तारिक लारी जी, ये तला में रशीदी को प्रॉब्लम क्या है फिर? उनको कहने में प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही
देखिए
है?
उनका अपने देखिए ये अनडिस्प्यूटेड है कि अखंड भारत का पहले सम्राट थे अशोक, दूसरे अखंड भारत के राजा थे, महाराजा थे, बादशाह थे, वो थे औरंगजेब. ये कहने में हमको कोई संकोच नहीं. ये भी कहने में हमको संकोच नहीं कि हाँ वो शेष का राजा था.
संजू वर्मा, संजू
राजा था, जैसे मोदी जी
संजू.
यहाँ पे राजा है, मोदी जी यहाँ पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, जैसे है हमें पसंद हो कहना तो है, वैसे औरंगजेब का.
विनोद बंसल ऑफ द VHP इज देयर. विनोद बंसल विश्व हिंदू परिषद के हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. विनोद बंसल जी, ये VHP के प्रदर्शन के बाद में हुआ है. मैं अर्णब गोस्वामी बोल रहा हूं. ये जो भी हुआ है, इट हैपेंड आफ्टर द VHP प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट औरंगजेब. तो आपको क्यों लगता है ये ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्रोटेस्ट लग रही है आपको?
नहीं, it is not organized protest. It is the organized attack. It is the organized attack on Hindu community. You see, our protest was ended by the afternoon only, and after the ending of the protest, the meeting was convened in the masjid. What the initial information I got from the site is that the meeting was convened after the prayer in the mosque, and lot many Muslim ladies and men were come out of the mosque and keep on attacking on the Hindu properties, the vehicles, and other things on the site. Actually, whatever they see, they attack them and brutally try to murder them. Actually, and so many.
I have.
झूठ इन्होंने
आप जो ना सच्चाई के ठेकेदार मत बनिए आप.
उस बॉर्डर में
औरंगजेब
बंसल जी लाउड है. बंसल जी,
जी.
when there has been such a big incident, I will only close by saying one thing, viewers. Please remember, do not trust this Lutean media. और इन्होंने कवर भी नहीं किया बड़ी तरीके से. Such a big incident has happened. They are trying to cover it up, and tomorrow they'll put it in 1-minute news. That is the problem में मीडिया वालों की यही प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जब ये बड़ी खबर होती है, इतना बड़ा वहां पे इतनी बड़ी हिंसा हो गई है, आगजनी हुई है. ये छोटी बात नहीं है.
छोटी बात है.
आपके लिए होगी भाई, आप स्यूडो सेक्युलर लोग हैं, हमारे लिए नहीं है. हमारे लिए नहीं है, राष्ट्रवादियों के लिए नहीं है. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you, and I'm continuing breaking news on this after a small commercial break. We are all concerned with the situation in Nagpur, and we need to go micro into the circumstances that led to it and the conspiracy behind it when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
इसको घर पे लगाओगे तो शादी का तो पता नहीं, पर घर पक्का नहीं टूटेगा.
रुंगटा नहीं तो घर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं. रुंगटा स्टील TMT बार एकदम सॉलिड.
पहाड़ों में एक हाइकिंग शिप भी बन सकती है.
In the global employability rankings by Times Higher Education UK, only the following 6 institutions from India are ranked amongst the top 230 in the world for having the most employable graduates. IIT Delhi, IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIM Ahmedabad, IIT Kharagpur and Amity University.
3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go NASA Crew 10. Copy, 1 Alpha.
And liftoff of Crew 10 now
Vehicle
soaring to the
pitching
International
downrange.
Space Station. 1.7 million pounds of thrust now propelling Falcon 9 and...
Waiting to watch Crew 10 take off today.